So let's look at this pivot. Now, do not rush through this assignment. You can really learn a lot and visualize a lot here using this digital simulation more than we can with any other tool. So this video is going to be about the Earth's movement in space. Something I want you to realize is that when you launch this is the tool that you're going to investigate and manipulate. You are able, where it says show split question view, to make it so that the simulation is here on the side and the questions that you have to answer about the simulation scroll on this side. It's a really good tool. For this video, I'm just going to show it like this, since it is bigger. So first, before we even do anything, let's check out what this simulation has to offer. If we look up at the top, this is branding. We have the sun in the middle, Earth rotating on the sun. We can see the axis, which you learned about in the lecture video. We can click and show the direction that the sun's light is shining towards the Earth. Now, obviously, we can't see it because it's shining straight away from us right now at the Earth. Remember that the sun is shining solar radiation everywhere in every direction, but we're going to just simplify it so we can just focus on what's hitting the Earth. So turning this button on and off shows an arrow with the most direct solar radiation hitting the Earth right there. We can do a side view and a top view. Same view. Same thing, but just two different views. And then down here it tells us what the day is. So you know this, we are approaching summer here. Okay. We can pause the Earth spinning around the sun. We can also stop the Earth's rotation. There's a light sensor. Don't worry about that. We're just going to stay on surface observer for now, because later we'll use that. And for the latitude, this doesn't really do anything here, but it will later on. So what you notice, though, is that you can pick out different continents on this rotating Earth. As we see, there's Australia, Africa, South America, North America. And what you can do is you can look at what type of sunlight or how much sunlight the continents are getting at different times of the year. So here in July, we can see that the Earth's axis is tilted towards the sun. So this more direct light is hitting the northern hemisphere. Now if we fast forward 6 months-ish, now we can see that the northern hemisphere is pointed away from the Earth, and it looks like the southern hemisphere is getting more direct sunlight. Okay. By looking at this simulation and the terms that they use, right, here we have Earth's revolution paused, now it's playing. So if we stop the revolution, think about what stops. If we stop the rotation, you can see what stops. You use that information to answer these questions down here. But familiarize yourself with this, what's going on here, and really investigate, look, and observe closely. That will help you answer the questions.